I have been asked to speak about some of my travels, some of my international experiences, some of what I've worked on overseas, and then hopefully I'll give you a bit of a sense of what that might be relevant to you here in Taiwan.
这位讲者他的兴趣很广泛，那当然这也一再告诉我们跨领域的重要，从家庭到永续城邦，甚至是到出游的经验啊，或者是人生的体悟，其实这一些都和跨领域脱不了关系啊。
This kind of overall topic of, international perspective and using that perspective to profit locally is really, really important. I think, especially someone with broad experiences like Adam, who's traveled around, who has lived in New Zealand, but also has an understanding of indigenous culture within New Zealand. I think that alone is really important.
You focus really, really well here. I think it's incredibly admirable the degree to which you see that. But I think there are situations in which you're working on under a paradigm or a view, a worldview that is in some cases really well aligned to what you're trying to do, and in other cases is perhaps out of date. And I think to wrap it all up, I think one of the ways in which that can be addressed is to be taking more of an international view of things.